Hey YouTube, my name is Shir, I live in Berlin, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the progress of a hair dye on my head in a 1 month time. I actually got asked a lot, how does my hair looks after I wash it and stuff like that. So the last time I dyed my hair, it was actually made by my mom, but I mixed the hair dye. So it was with a really strong pigment hair dye. So it turned out really dark. I usually go for the more pastel look, more subtle colors, and it turned out really dark. So I thought it would be nice to show you like the progress of the color from first point until I decide I want to re-dye my hair. Wait until the end till you see how is it before I try to dye it. So yeah, this is how my hair looks after all the washes. Hey there! I hope you enjoyed this montage. This is the final look after my flight back to Berlin from Israel. I didn't do anything to it, I just brushed it this morning, and this is how it turned out. I mean, I had like 2 months of impossible hair, and then I just come back to Berlin and it's like this. So, I mean, it's pretty perfect, right? It's not just me. So this is how the color turned out. I do have a bit of yellows here, you can see. Overall, I feel like this is a really good outcome. I now have my coffee, my first coffee here, and just wanted to show you. I'm sorry I'm like with no makeup or anything. I look probably really tired. But I did want to show you the hair and the color in the right lighting and in a really good quality film. So yeah, this is it. Tell me in the comment below what was your favorite look. And if you want to buy this dye, I will leave a link down below. Maybe it will be an affiliate link. It will be much appreciated if you will buy through the link, because it will really help me to maintain the channel. And if you want to support my channel directly, you can buy me a coffee on my coffee page, and it will be highly appreciated and will help me a lot. So if you want me to do more videos like that, then comment below, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. It's usually on Saturdays. It's always on Saturdays. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!